Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Custom Structures Direct. Again, today we're out in sunny Alabama. It's a beautiful day here. We're going to take a look at one of our most recent installs. Behind me, we have a 30 wide, 30 long metal building. This building is, I believe we are sitting at a 14-foot leg on this one, double leg. The building comes equipped with two 10 by 10 hand-operated doors. Behind me here, which you will see later on in the video, we've got a 9-light walk-in door. Overall, this came out really good. I love the blue with black trim. I think this is just a great color combination. Overall, really happy with the project. Customers happy. Concrete came out great. Beautiful property. If you guys are in the market for a metal building, please give us a call. We'd love to help. Thanks for tuning in.